So what a fantastic setup this is, and it's all possible thanks to this Anker dock. Folks, this is the Anker 5-in-1 dock that I purchased, and based on the price that I paid for this, I wasn't actually expecting a whole lot, but I've been pleasantly surprised. This thing has opened up a world of possibilities. So it has the USB-C connection on the front, bunch of ports on the side for connecting everything, not least of which an HDMI monitor, and I've been using this with my phone in order to turn it into a more desktop computer experience. In terms of the actual unboxing, well, as you might imagine, the package is really simple. We have the actual dock itself. And I chose the blue one, which I think looked pretty neat, but it is available in multiple different coloured designs. However, functionality is the same across the range. And in terms of the product itself, it's lightweight, it's easy to use, just plug it in and it's good to go. And so just to show you my specific setup up close here, I've got the UPerfect portable monitor, which is a fantastic portable display. I have this hooked up to the Anker dock right here, which is of course connected into my phone, and this is connected over USB-C and HDMI. I have a Bluetooth keyboard, a Bluetooth mouse, along with a Bluetooth PS5 controller, as I'm currently running the PS5 Remote Play, so that I have full access to my PlayStation 5 games library wherever I have a decent internet connection. And what's great is all of this is being powered by this single power bank right here, which is actually really powerful power bank, also from Anker, and one that I purchased myself. But that means this full setup is totally portable and I can take it with me wherever I go. Of course, I'm not limited to playing games. This is just the example I've got showing for you. And because we have those additional USB ports in the actual hub, that means I can use other wired devices, for example, a wired keyboard or wired mouse. And the monitor itself has speakers built in, but there's nothing to stop me setting up some Bluetooth headphones directly to my phone. So what a fantastic setup this is, and it's all possible thanks to this Anker dock. And I've just been finding it to be an excellent product, especially for the price point. The only thing I would say is if you do want a dock that specifically has USB-C for video out, then you will have to look for another model. But for my purposes, this absolutely fits the bill, and I would gladly recommend it.